Hi everyone, my name is Belinda and I'm the training lady. Today I want to show you a really useful feature in Microsoft Teams called Save This Message. Now this feature lets you quickly save important messages or posts so that you can find them again later on. Think of it like bookmarking a message but inside Teams, and it allows you to come back to them at any time. Now if you work in busy Teams channels, this is going to be a real big time saver because it's going to allow you to bookmark those tasks or notes that somebody has put up so that you don't lose access to them and so that you don't have to scroll back through those conversation threads to try and find where somebody mentioned something. Now, a little bit of background, Microsoft actually removed this function when they first released the new Microsoft Teams desktop app, but thankfully back in 2025, they did bring it back. I'm still finding that people do not know that it's there or just don't know what it actually does. Now, this feature works in Teams online, and it also works, obviously, as I said, in the desktop app. So it doesn't matter where you're accessing Teams from, you're going to have this ability. Now, let's have a look at how we can do this. Now, I've just got my Microsoft Teams desktop app open at the moment. I have a team open with one of my channels selected. And you can see back in July last year, I actually made a comment in this channel about this particular feature. So I'm going to show you how to bookmark or save this message and then how to access those bookmarks or saved messages as well. Now, all I need to do here is hover my cursor over the message that I want to save. I am going to go to my little toolbar that appears, which has all your reactions buttons on them. But I'm going to go to the ellipsis button, which is the three dots on the end of it. Now, if you click that, it's going to give you an option to save this message. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And what you'll have happen is a little bookmark icon will actually appear next to the author and the date details for that message. Now you can do this on as many messages as you want. I can scroll back up further. Here's another little message that's been put up, so I can save that one as well. Important to know that no one else can see that you have saved a message. It is a completely private action, so only you can see the results of that. Now, what do you want to do now that you've saved it? You want to go and be able to view those saved messages. Now, what you'll have happen is that when you have something saved, you automatically get the saved category will pop up over in this Teams window here. Now, I'm just going to click on that saved option. And what it'll do is it'll give me an overview of the two messages that I did save. Now, if I want to see a little bit more detail, because you can see the first one here, I can't really see the information from that message. I could just click on it and it will show me the preview over on the right-hand side. So it just allows me to go through now and click onto any of those saved messages and I can preview the details. So what do you do then though if you have saved something and now you no longer need it to be a saved message? Maybe you've completed the task and you don't really need it as a reference anymore. So you can unsave them. So from this saved window, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the actual message here and I can again click the little three dots, the ellipsis button, and I'm going to choose unsave this message. And that's just going to remove that out of my saved list. It'll leave any others behind for me, but I can keep this really neat and organized and just have things in there that I'm actively needing access to. So I hope this helps to know how to be able to save, view, and then unsave a message in Microsoft Teams. It is a very simple feature, but it does make a huge difference in terms of keeping track of messages and information in your channels. All the step-by-step instructions for this are actually on my website at thetraininglady.com, or you can get the direct link in the description for this video. If you have found this helpful, don't forget to hit that little like button. And if you want to see more of my content on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, have a great day, everyone.